Itong pandemic, ang daming pangyayari. There's a lot of people who stays at home. And of course, one of the first thing to do is to protect your home. Now, I know that many of you are working outside and your family members are just home. The kids are having their online schooling and the seniors are just at home. Well, of course, hindi naman sila masyado lumalabas because of the pandemic ongoing. So, I have here are some of the gadgets that you can have for 2023 to protect them and of course to protect your home. Buksan natin. So hi guys, I'm Pastor the Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So I have here two items I got from SriHome. And this one is a SriHome na IP camera na 5G. So many of the IP cameras na meron ko at home are 2.4G ng support. But this one, capable na siya mag-support ng 5G. So I'm excited to have this be installed at home. And there's another one here na pwede ko install sa garahe, which is the IP camera na outdoor na weatherproof siya. And some of the specs dito, sabi niya, it's high definition, remote viewing, night vision, waterproof. It can have two-way talk din, Wi-Fi, and of course, micro SD card na storage and motion detection. So dito naman sa IP camera na pang tabletop. And ang specs niya ay high definition, like color, kaya na mag-support ng 5G HC, motion detect, two-way radio, remote viewing, micro SD na storage, and of course, human detection. Sabi muna natin to. Let's start by opening this one. Let's just see what's inside this box. And very easy to mount lang naman siya. And we have here is of course yung adapter natin, which is a USB. So if nawala nito, it's very easy to replace it with any adapter. So we have some of these tools for wall mounting. We have a quick user manual here and the camera itself. So naka-protect pa siya. So kita natin dito, there's a LED light and of course ang kanyang main camera. So all you need to do is just simply tip it up around mga 45 degrees. Kita no, there's a reset button over here and dito mo i-insert ang kanyang micro SD card na pang storage natin. On this side, we have yung power input. Sa ilalim, dyan mo ilalagay ito para sa wall mounting na purpose. Okay? So, papasok mo lang siya to twist mo. So, you can have it installed like this or like this. Depende sa inyo. Dito ang kanyang loudspeaker and of course, ang microphone. So, this one can tilt like this, up and down. And it can also rotate 360 degrees. Okay? So, very nice to sa bahay. Kung meron kayong mga babies, this one is definitely a nice investment to have para sa, well, for your own protection din at home, para makita mo what's happening at home, especially when you're not at home. Just to check on the kids, pwede sila makausap, or just to check on your parents kung if they're okay. It's simple, very easy to use kahit outside the country kayo. This one is definitely a must kasi 5G HC ng kanyang support. So right now, we'll open the other one, which is a outdoor na weatherproof IP camera. This one is more exciting kasi pwede natin mount to outdoors. Makita natin what's happening sa labas ng bahay. So this is the quick start guide. So we have this one. So ang dami niyang LED light dito. Pang siya, pang motion detect yan. And definitely magandang nito, ang kanyang output when it's outdoors. I'm sure that this one can record it pretty much in detail dahil HD ang kanyang recording capability. So kita natin siguro pati mga mukha ng kung sino mga delivery guy ng Lazada, ng Shopee, Lalamove, and Grab Express. Kitang-kita na ito. Inside the box, we also have some of this mounting device na kailangan natin, as well as the power cord. Ang kagandahan dito sa kanya is rubberized na ang kanyang likod, ang kanyang backing. So, mabilis na siya i-mount sa any wall, basta flat surface. And you have two antennas dito na pangsagap ng Wi-Fi. And it should be mounted something like this one. Ito, magtitilt na lang siya, just like this. Okay, so ganito mag-iitsura niya if you're taking a closer look at it. And dito mo kakabit ang LAN cable should you need it. And dito ang power input. Dito sa gilid ang iyong two-way radio na pwede mong gamitin sa pang-usap kung sino man ang gusto mo kausapin somewhere out there. Medyo mas protected lang to. Hindi mo basta-basta mahugot ng kanyang SD card. So, since kailangan mo siya i-unscrew to bago mo makikita ang lagay ng SD card. So, kasi outdoor siya. So, expect mo na kailangan mo medyo may kunting security. Baka kasi nakawin ng SD card mo dito just to, of course, para mawala ng evidence. So, ayan, tanggalan natin. This is the SD card slot sa ilalim. So, guys, I pretty much shown you the 2 IP cameras that you can use starting 2023 to, of course, enhance yung security sa bahay and communication between you and your loved ones who are at home while you're working outdoors. So guys, if you want to know kung saan nyo pwede mabili itong mga gadgets na ito, I'll be linking on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click nyo na yung bell icon para hindi nyo miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And ako pala si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Watch out!